In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit FAQ in Intercom. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Intercom workspace and you are viewing the main dashboard. We are going to work inside the Help Center area because that is where your FAQ content and support articles live. First, look to the left sidebar, find the Help Center icon, which looks like a small book, and click it. This opens the Help Center section where you can manage your public-facing help content. Give the page a moment to load, especially if your workspace has a lot of collections and articles. Once you are in Help Center, click on Articles. This takes you to the Article Manager, where you can view and maintain the content that appears in your Help Center. This is the area you will use when you want to update an FAQ entry, fix wording, add new details, or create a brand new piece of guidance for customers. Next, go to the top right and click New Article. Even if your goal is to edit an FAQ, this flow is used to create or rewrite an entry as an article in the Help Center. You will be taken into the editor, where you can build the content that users will read. Now type your title and content. Keep the title clear and specific, because it helps customers find the right answer quickly in search results. In the content section, write in short, simple sentences. If the FAQ explains a process, keep the wording direct and avoid extra jargon. It also helps to scan your text for typos and consistency, since customers often treat Help Center content as official guidance. After that, select a collection for the article. Collections are how Intercom organizes your Help Center, so choose the one that best matches the topic. Placing the article in the right collection makes it easier to browse and helps your team keep content structured over time. Finally, click Save. Saving publishes or stores your changes based on your workspace settings. So after you save, take a quick moment to confirm the article looks correct and is placed in the correct collection. That covers everything you need to know.